Alright guys, today we are at the Esso gas station in Newcastle and that has a touchless wash. So quickly, I will show you how dirty the car is. I don't know what system we got here. But anyways, the car is dirty on the passenger side, you can see. They got lots of dirt on it. Trunk is dirty. Same with the tailgate too, as usual. And the driver's side is dirty as well, with the tires and the dirt. Yeah, and the hood too, and the grill. So hopefully it does a great job. And the wash here, since it's a pump, so this is a Bellinger dryer timer. The top of the luxury wash which we got is $10.99 with our gas purchase, plus if you want to read. So yeah, let's see how well it does. Alright, here we go into the entrance. They also have some self-service equipment here, which is the Newcastle car wash. But we're going for the automatic. I didn't drive this time because I wanted to get a good video of a wash. Alright, here we go. Okay, the code machine is saying please wait because there's a car inside the wash bay, so I'm just gonna pause it for now. Alright, the guy's going through the dryers right now. Alright. Alright, here we go. If the door will open. A slow door, LOL. Alright, let's see. And it looks like we got ourselves an Oasis XP. I knew there was going to be an Oasis system when I saw it on Google Maps. Go ahead.
You won't let me go ahead anymore.
Hit the gas. Okay, yep, that's good. go, there. Okay. Careful with the bump, there. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's see how well I washed it quickly. Okay, so it looks like it didn't clean off that off, like on the passenger side. Like there's a little bit of where it didn't miss. Clean the tires well. With a little bit of stuff from back. Not bad on the trunk. Dryers did well. Here. I mean, it looks like it misses here. You can see where it didn't touch. And a lot of missed spots on the driver's side as well. And that too. Cleaned the tires really well, but yeah. The dryers did not that bad overall. So yeah. And same here on the windshield. So yeah, overall a bit of this wash. It's an older system, that's for sure, and I feel like I didn't get any rain X because the luxury wash supposed to get rain X, and we didn't, and we got a pass of nothing. So yeah, let's do an overall review of the this wash right now at this Esso. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I just made it home from the car wash, and I'm going to show you something. You can see there's a little bit of spots here for the non-spot free water, like you can see here on the hood where we didn't get that off. But I guess it's on the passenger side. Like it looks like the tires now dirty. Like look at this, it didn't clean all of this off on the passenger side. I tried to get this car cleaned, but now it's like a mess on the passenger side. Like this. It cleaned like some of these spots, but it missed this. You can see where the dirt is at. And same on the back bumper, you can see, like it's ridiculous. But the funny thing is, there's a little bit of dirt here on the driver's side. It's not like that on the driver's side. Like it's mostly clean except for here. So the high pressure rinse is definitely weak here for sure. I know this car was a dirty vehicle before we took it in, but it's ridiculous. Well, since you saw the car now after the wash, let's do the overall review right now. I've given wash quality a 2 out of 5. Overall, the wash did a really awful job. It missed a lot of dirt on the car, but the passenger side is really worse than the driver's side. It cleaned most of the driver's side, but it missed a lot of dirt on the passenger side. So I feel like the high pressure rinse is really weak here. So overall, the wash did a really awful job. I've given dryers a 3 out of 5. Overall, the PECO dryers did a much better job than the wash. But however, it was still not the best because it left a lot of water on the car and even a little bit on the windshield. And when the water dried, it left spots on the windshield thanks to the non-spot free water. So overall, the dryers need some improvement as well. But I've seen worse dryers than this. I've given pricing a 3 out of 5 as well. For what you get, $10.99 for the top wash is not a bad deal. But there's one thing that you don't get with a top wash, and that is the rain X. Even though they advertise for Rain-X, you don't get any. Instead, you get an empty pass with water dripping on your car. But for now, the only thing you get for the top wash is the tri-foam. In fact, if you want to get the tri-foam, you have to get the top wash. The second top wash only includes the underbody spray, which happens before the high pressure rinse. But at least it's really cheap to buy as well. And it doesn't really matter if you get gas as well because the luxury wash is $9.99 with a gas purchase. So you're only going to be saving $1 if you get gas. But for now, it's not worth getting the top wash if you want to get the Rain-X. But I see more expensive car washes than this here. I've given coverages a 3 out of 5. The 2 passes of pre-soak was a little bit lighter than usual. The tri-foam has an excellent coverage. And the Rain-X, well, it didn't exist at all. So overall, they definitely need to fix the Rain-X and a little bit of a pre-soak as well. Overall, I will rate this wash an 11 out of 20. The wash did a really awful job, so I'm really hoping they improve this wash soon. The high pressure rinse was probably much weaker than usual. I decided to go here because my car was really dirty and I wanted to try out a new car wash I haven't filmed before. But turns out this wash was really terrible. You can tell that this is an older Oasis XP because it has a treadle on the floor. And one of the covers of the arms are missing. But it still did an awful job. Once my car gets more dirtier, I'm planning on taking it to a brand new car wash. Where is it, you ask? Well, it's at the PECO gas station on Mulock Drive in Newmarket. I was told by my co-authors Elevators, Wallblocks and more that the laser wash for fastened at the PECO has been replaced with a brand spanking new laser wash 360 Plus. I will definitely go there for the next car wash, since I have a new wash and go cart that I gotten recently. Once my car gets more dirtier, I will take it to the brand new laser wash and see how well it does. We will also compare it to the laser wash for fastened that used to be here. So until that happens, stay tuned. But overall for this wash, it's an awful car wash to check out and I don't recommend it. There's no more car washes in the town of Newcastle, so you may need to go out of town to get your car cleaned. But one thing's for sure is that I'm really happy that I found another Oasis XP. I only found one, and that is at the Esso in Markham, which is still there and I'm hoping to do a retake of it soon. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this visit to the Oasis XP at the Esso in Newcastle, and until my next car wash review, I will see you guys then. See you later, folks. Hey, please remember to subscribe to my channel for more epic videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope you enjoyed this epic video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be it as usual.